English first class. Lesson number 2. A snail's tail. Warm up. WARM, warm up. UP, up. Have, HAVE, have. YOU, seen. SEEN, seen. A snail. A SNAIL, snail. Moving. MOVING, moving. How, HOW, how. DOES, does. IT, it. MOVE, move. Slow, SLOW, slow. ORR, FAST, fast. Have you seen a snail moving? How does it move, slow or fast? Word hunt. Look, LOOK, look. OUT, out. FOR, for. Doing, DOING, doing. Words. WORDS, words. SUCH, such. AS, as. CLIMB, climb. And and. Carry, CARRY, carry. IN, in. TH, the. Story, STORY, story. A little snail. LITTLE, little snail. SNAIL, snail. Called, CALLED, called. Lily, LILY, lily. Lived, LIVED, lived. In, in. A garden, GARDEN, garden. She was very small. SHE, she. WAS, was. Very, VERY, very. Small, SMALL, small. From, FROM, from. HER, her. Nose, NOSE, nose. TO2, HER, her. Tail, TAIL, tail. Lily, LILY, lily. Had, HAD, had. A round, AROUND, round. AND, and. BIG, big. Shell, SHELL, shell. ON, on. HER, her. Back, BACK, back. The, THE, the. Shell, SHELL, shell. WAS, was. HER, her. HOME, home. But, BUT, but. The, STHE, the. Shell, SHELL, shell. Was, WAS, was. Heavy, HEAVY, heavy. Will, WHILE, will. Trying, TRYING, trying. To, TO2, CLIMB, climb. Uphill, UP, up. HILL, uphill. Lily, LILY, lily. CRIED, cried. Ho, OH, ho. MY, my. Oh my, it is just not fair. IT, it. IS, his. JUST, just. Not, NOT, not. FAIR, fair. WHY, must. M-U-S-T, must. I, C-A-R-R-Y, carry. My, M-Y, my. Shell, S-H-E-L-L, shell. Everywhere, E-V-E-R-Y-W-H-E-R-E, everywhere. One day, O-N-E-1, D-A-Y, day. One day. When, W-H-E-N, when. She was, S-H-E-W-A-S, she was. O-N, on. H-E-R, her. Way, W-A-Y, way. Down, D-O-W-N, down. T-H-E, the. H-I-L-L, hill. She meet a big crow called Blackie. S-H-E, she meet. M-E-T, meet. A, B-I-G, big. Crow, C-R-O-W, crow. Called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called. Blackie, B-L-A-C-K-Y, Blackie. Lily, stayed. L-I-L-Y, Lily, stayed. S-T-A-Y-E-D, stayed. Inside, I-N-S-I-D-E, inside. Her, H-E-R, her. S-H-E-L-L, shell. For, F-O-R, for. M-A-N-Y, many. Days, D-A-Y-S, days. When, W-H-E-N, when. S-H-E, she came. C-A-M-E, came. O-U-T, out. She sat. S-H-E, she. S-A-I-D, sad. Everyone. E-V-E-R-Y, every. One. O-N-E, one. Should. S-H-O-U-L-D, should. Have. H-A-V-E, have. H-O-M-E-S, homes. Like, L-I-K-E, like. M-E, me. Everyone should have homes like me. Rhyming words. F-L-E-W, flew. B-E-B-L-E-W, blue. C-A-M-E, came. N-A-M-E, name. Choose the correct answer. Fill in the blanks. The story is about a snail. Lily did not like carrying her shell. Lily's shell was small. A crow wanted to eat Lily. Blackie got happy and flew away.